So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix YouTube TV channel logged, location zip, parental control and account fix. So fix 1 is verify and update your playback area. Disable any VPN on your phone and router. On your TV, open the YouTube TV app and go to profile icon, then setting, then area. Then select update. Open a web browser on your phone with GPS and location permission enabled. Visit tv.youtube.com to verify to register your location. Force close and reopen the YouTube TV app on your TV after location verification. Second fix is reset the YouTube TV app. Navigate to setting on your smart TV or streaming device. Go to app and select YouTube TV. Choose the option to force stop the app. Select clear cache and clear data. Then reopen the YouTube TV app and test your channel. Third fix is check system date and time. Navigate to your TV main setting. Select system. Go to date and time setting. Ensure set automatically or use network provided time is enabled. Fourth fix is restart your home network and TV. Unplug your TV and your internet router from the wall outlet. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait for the fully connect to the internet. Plug your TV back in and open YouTube TV. Thanks for watching.